This is in the District Court of Butler County, Kansas. Case is entitled Lindsey Collins, formerly known as Jones, Petitioner, and Jason Ryan Steely, Respondent. Case number 11 DM 371. Petitioner Lindsey Collins appears in person pro se. Respondent Jason Steely also appears in person pro se. All parties appearing by Zoom. We're set today for a hearing following the court issuing an ex parte order suspending Mr. Steely's parenting time. That order was filed back on October 9th, 2024. Mr. Steely, I trust you received a copy of that order.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right. And have the parties made, Ms. Collins, have you all made any agreements or anything regarding where to go moving forward on this issue?
I had discussed with Jason that I believe that it is probably best at this point to not have him stay the night over there. Since he received these papers, we have not had much contact. I think it's in Raylan's best interest to that he can see his dad. On my discrepancy, or when I say it's okay, I think that he can talk to him on the phone and stuff like that. I don't believe right now is a good time for him to have overnight stays with him. Due to recent criminal charges that have been filed with the courts, and I want my 13-year-old son to have a good role model. Him and his dad are very they are close, and I don't want to take that away from my son, but I need him to have a better role model in life. Being 13 years old, he's gonna know what's going on more around him.
So what relief are you seeking?
I don't get that question. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Like, what am I wanting?
Right. What are you requesting of the court? We've got the order right now. His parenting time has been suspended by this order.
Right. I want it to be at my discretion. And I know that on the ex parte order, it says no contact with him, even by telephone or anything. I don't want that. I want him to be able to contact his dad, or his dad contact him through the telephone, text message, whatever. But I think right now, at my discretion for visits is more reasonable.
Okay. Are there any conditions, or what are you? A lot of times on these types of issues, there's a request that certain conditions be met, or are you seeking anything like that?
I know Jason has recently got a job, which that was one of my conditions that I was going to request. He did inform me that he did get a job, so I'm glad about that. I want to see that he's getting clean. So drug tests, maybe. I believe a drug eval might be necessary as well. And I mean, I don't know how he can prove, but to prove that he's not selling drugs would be great.
Okay. Mr. Steely, let me address you. What are your thoughts on the current situation?
Your Honor, I'm embarrassed by my actions, and I just want to make it right with my son and his mom. Just super ashamed of myself right now. Trying to keep my sobriety is the most important thing to me. I've been doing that. Every day that I get is an extra day that I'm feeling good about that. my wife and family believe in me, and I know that I need to get my stuff together, and I'm trying to work, just taking step by step, day by day, Your Honor, and I want to get on the right path, and I want to make things right. So I'm not here to argue about anything, Your Honor. I miss my son.
Okay. Well, it sounds like you all have a close relationship, and Miss Collins isn't wanting to completely have you out of the picture. However, she justifiably has some concerns about what might be occurring with your current criminal case, which I think will be in front of me
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
in a couple of weeks. So, and I don't want to get into the criminal case right here, but so it's been suggested by Miss Collins that she have discretion on the contact that your son has with you. Are you objecting to that request?
No, sir, Your Honor.
Okay. And are you doing any sort of drug and alcohol treatment or evaluations? Have you done anything like that?
I believe my lawyer is having me wait till the first court date to get started, but I haven't smoked any marijuana since the day of the incident, yes, sir. Just
Okay.
working and staying clean. I know that hasn't been too much time yet. I think I'm going on almost 3 weeks now, Your Honor.
Okay, so the incident, I'm assuming that was a arrest date,
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
and that was about 3 weeks ago.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, a hair follicle is still going to show the presence of THC.
I just asked for a little bit of time to show you proof instead of just words, Your Honor.
Okay, well, it sounds like everybody's being reasonable here.
Yes, sir.
I think under these circumstances, if Miss Collins is willing to allow visitations, is that include in-person contact, Miss Collins?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, just not overnights?
Yeah, just not overnights right now.
Okay. Well, that may be best for everybody, Mr. Steely, if you're using this as an opportunity to shore up some things on the way you've been living your life that may be appropriate to maybe limit that contact and give you an opportunity to gain back the trust or perhaps that you've lost
Yes, sir.
with your family. So
Yes, sir.
I think what I'll probably do, Miss Collins, you drafted these orders yourself, correct?
Yes.
If you want to put together an order that reflects that you're allowing contact between, is it Raylan?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Raylan.
Raylan and his dad at your discretion